Hello everyone. We talk about an important update at the line of actual control in Ladakh today. Government sources say the Chinese have started to withdraw their troops and tents in Galwan by 2 kilometers, and in the next few days disengagement process will begin in other friction points including patrolling points 14, 15, Hot Springs and Finger area in the Pangong So. The Ministry of External Affairs says National Security Advisor Ajit Doval talked to Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi for 2 hours yesterday to make the Chinese agree to begin the process of disengagement. NSA is monitoring the situation continuously with the Indian Army and the matter is expected to be resolved amicably soon. We have more updates from the Ministry of External Affairs about Doval Wang Yi talks, which say they agreed that it was necessary to ensure at the earliest complete disengagement of troops along LAC for full restoration of peace and tranquility. In this regard, they further agreed that both sides should complete the ongoing disengagement process and reaffirmed that both sides should strictly respect and observe the LAC and should not take any unilateral action to alter the status quo at the LAC. It was also agreed that Doval and Wang Yi will continue their conversations to ensure full and enduring restoration of peace in the India-China border areas in accordance with the bilateral agreements and protocols. Since May 2020, Chinese and Indian troops have reportedly engaged in face-offs at the India-China border in Galwan Valley and Pangong Lake. In late May, Chinese forces objected to Indian road construction in the Galwan River Valley. According to Indian sources, melee fighting on the night of 15 June 2020 resulted in deaths of 20 Indian soldiers and 43 Chinese soldiers, which China claims false. Amid the standoff, India reinforced the region with 12,000 additional workers who would assist India's Border Roads Organization in completing the development of Indian infrastructure along the India-China border. Experts have postulated that the standoffs are Chinese preemptive measures in responding to the Darbuk Shok DBO road infrastructure project in Ladakh by India. Another reason is China's territory grabbing technique referred to as salami slicing, which involves encroaching upon small parts of enemy territory over a large period of time. The revocation of the special status of Jammu and Kashmir in August 2019 by the Indian government has also troubled China. However, India and China have both maintained that there are enough bilateral mechanisms to resolve the situation through quiet diplomacy. Hopefully, that is happening now, and we can be happy that Chinese strategy of false propaganda and false claims on adversaries' territory is not working. Thank you.